What if your vision slowly fades, turning bright lights into a hazy blur? For millions, this is the reality of cataracts, where clarity is gradually replaced by cloudiness. But today, modern eye surgery offers a way back to sharp, clear sight. Inside the eye, the natural lens begins to lose its transparency. Proteins within the lens start to cluster, creating a cloudy layer that blocks light from reaching the retina properly. This is how vision becomes dim and unclear over time. Simple daily tasks become difficult. Reading, recognizing faces, and even walking in low light can feel challenging as vision continues to decline. The world appears dull and out of focus. During an eye examination, the doctor uses a slit lamp to closely inspect the structures of the eye. This allows a detailed view of the cloudy lens and confirms the presence of a cataract. Advanced imaging helps assess how severe the cataract has become. The doctor evaluates how much the lens is affecting vision and determines the best time for surgery. Using a detailed eye model, the procedure is explained clearly. The cloudy lens will be removed and replaced with a clear artificial lens designed to restore focus. On the day of surgery, the patient is prepared in a sterile environment. The eye is carefully isolated to ensure precision and safety throughout the procedure. Special anesthetic drops are applied to numb the eye. This keeps the patient comfortable while allowing the surgeon to perform delicate movements without discomfort. A tiny incision is made at the edge of the cornea. This small opening provides access to the inner structures of the eye without disturbing surrounding tissue. The surgeon creates a precise circular opening in the lens capsule. This step allows access to the cloudy lens while preserving the structure needed to hold the new implant. A fine ultrasound probe is gently inserted through the incision. This tool will break the cloudy lens into small, manageable pieces. Using controlled ultrasonic energy, the hardened lens is carefully fragmented. The process is smooth and highly controlled, ensuring surrounding structures remain protected. The fragmented pieces of the lens are gently removed from the eye. This clears the visual pathway, preparing the eye for the new artificial lens. The empty capsule is cleaned thoroughly. This ensures that no remaining particles interfere with the placement of the new lens. With the cloudy lens fully removed, the capsule is now clear and ready. This space will hold the artificial lens securely in place. A foldable artificial lens is introduced into the eye through a small injector. Its flexible design allows it to pass through the tiny incision easily. Once inside, the lens gently unfolds to its full shape. It is designed to replicate the function of the natural lens and restore clear vision. The surgeon carefully adjusts the lens to ensure it is perfectly centered. Proper alignment is essential for sharp and accurate vision. The stability of the new lens is checked. Once positioned correctly, it remains securely in place within the capsule. The natural fluid balance of the eye is restored. This helps maintain the correct internal pressure and supports healing. The tiny incision begins to seal on its own. Because of its small size, no stitches are required, allowing for faster recovery. A protective shield is placed over the eye. This keeps the area safe while the healing process begins. In the early stages of recovery, the eye begins to adapt. The new lens integrates smoothly with the eye's natural structure. Vision starts to improve gradually. What was once blurred begins to sharpen as light passes clearly through the new lens. The eye adjusts to brightness and changing light conditions. Normal responses return as healing continues. Daily activities become easier again. Reading, recognizing faces, and focusing on details are restored. Clarity returns to the world. Colors appear brighter, and edges become sharp and well-defined. The eye moves naturally and comfortably. Coordination between both eyes is fully restored. With improved vision comes renewed confidence. The patient can once again engage fully in everyday life. A comparison reveals the transformation. The once cloudy, blurred view is replaced by clear and focused vision. Internally, the change is just as remarkable. The opaque natural lens has been replaced by a clear artificial implant. The result is a healthy eye with restored clarity. From darkness to brightness, modern cataract surgery makes it possible to regain sharp 20/20 vision.